And yeah, ready, hot, and go.
Hello Buccaneers, we are in Laguna Beach and today we're checking out Sawdust Art Festival.
We will.
Okay, stay there for look here. 1, 2, 3, cheese. Smile, boom. Okay, go. Alright.
Oh wait, which side? This one.
You're in charge, huh? Who are you gonna bring?
Wait, I'm gonna cover this.
Yeah, we should try to do some activities today.
You pay when you want to bring up.
Okay, and go.
We're at the Ceramic Center right now. We're at the Ceramic Center right now. Is just past noon. It's around 1.
Yeah, awesome.
We're at the Ceramic Center right now. It's 1:30, and the next available time to throw a pot is 6 p.m. So our pro tip is that when you enter Sawdust, sign up for any classes as soon as you can.
And go.
We're at the Ceramic Center, which is a free clay throwing.
Pottery.
Pottery.
Or ceramics. Or free ceramics. Ready?
Okay. We're at the Ceramic Center, which lets you make a critter or throw a pot for free. Right now it's 1:30, and the next available class is 6 p.m. So our pro tip is that when you arrive at Sawdust, sign up for any classes you want as soon as you can. Okay.
Alright, and go.
Wait, what? Oh, but I'm facing the wrong way.
I'm gonna turn.
Okay, yeah. We see this every year. It's a palindrome.
Say?
Was it a cat I saw?
Oh, he's leaving us a bit. No! He's the tree, right?
Wax with this painting.
That's so cool.
It makes myself and people feel like I'm popular, so I'm doing a whole new set today. And so I've done red, orange, yellow, blue. I still have to do green, indigo, and violet. So my next one is indigo for the third eye. Sherwin-Williams or something like that.
This looks easy and fun.
Mm-hmm.
This looks easy and fun.
It is fun and it feels easy, and that's why I like to do it, because I feel like art to me is about like making you feel good, and it needs to feel good while you're doing it. It needs to feel good after you look at it. It shouldn't feel like an effort, it shouldn't feel like you have to do something or make something look a certain way, because art is very magical and it's good for our spirit, it's good for our mental health. Your conscious mind goes to sleep and your subconscious mind comes to life. And the subconscious mind is the part of our brain that's actually our genius. And so art helps us to tap into that part of ourselves that we don't even know existed. It's really and so I started
This
picking
artist
up,
is
like,
painting abstract art with acrylics.
Like
Let's fly down or drive down to New Orleans. That city is sure pretty. It's always. I'll take you all the way to down Bourbon Street. You know that there is a lot of hot. Look at all the big stuff. Oh, you ready, Sean? Let's do it. Come on.
Stop for a picture real quick. No one's around. Right, look here. Worry about the elevator, boo boo. Look here. 1, 2, 3. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Cheese. Oh, there it is. To the right. Oh, shoot. Go.
We are at studio.
Is it on?
Am I on?
Oh.
No, mine
Did you
is.
hear that?
Oh. Yeah, I hear it.
This is, but mine is.
Alright, ready? Alright.
And we, and it's all, okay, ladies, we're going to be doing like this. We are going to be cutting it up, tearing papers. It's going to be a collage. And then we're going to be tearing papers and going ahead and putting it in like this. And then we're going to put the leaves green. And this will be whatever color you want. Brown. A little bit, not to cut it up, but to tear it. Just like a petal that you're going to be putting on. I tear all this up, and then I make little petals all around it to put up there, and they don't have to be perfect. I do not like perfection. It's got to be your own creativity. So you follow a little bit what I'm saying, but you can do, if you think I'm wrong, you go ahead, you be creative yourself. Use different.
I even did that last week. I didn't do it too much.
But it doesn't have to be like that. Yours can be anything. You know? It can be, but see how this is like brownish red, and this is yellow, and this is green. And you know, you can have that blue, or you can have purple, and lots of whatever you wish.
Okay. I'm going to start out by drawing a cow moose sunflower. Wait, hold on.
Okay, it's time to start with the card. Yeah, draw it first. With that crayon.
Like this? No.
These are the points.
There you go. Yep. What it is, and it's abstract. My things are abstract. Yeah.
Hey, can I see that?
That one?
That couple has a lot of pimples.
Yeah, it does.
That's right. That's good. That's good. That's what it's about. I'm just showing you an example, but it doesn't have to be. Oh, I like this too.
Oh my god, look, it looks like it has a
Be if you want green, okay, this could be kind of like this. And glue, and put the gesso down and put it all over. And then if you want this for the leaves, it's kind of nasty. Okay, the leaves, you go like this. Like this could be a leaf, because at the end you're going to be giving some defined definition. See the leaves? Where's the leaves here? Wherever you want. Maybe you want it here.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Maybe you. May I show it for you? Them? I want you to know.
That's her favorite.
That's going to be the sunflower. Sunflower oil. Don't include that. Yes.
But she likes it so much she wants to show it to everybody.
You do your own one. Yeah. And you're going to be gluing.
Okay, camera, the t-shirt like that,
okay,
so
yeah.
Which is
The teacher liked Brother's face so much that she's showing it to everyone. Okay, yeah.
Alright, there you go.
Right now I'm taking the sketching paper that has acrylic on it, and I'm gonna put it on top.
That's good. Yeah, that's good. And if you want a little bit on the back of it, and then And this is if you want to paint everything over here purple, you may.
Are they going to put Mod Podge on the bottom and the top?
Just the back.
But you get color
Thank
and white.
you for translating.
So you get depth and
Okay.
Okay.
See, maybe you could just do this in here if you want to. Only if you want to, you know, kind of like this, or you know, it doesn't matter. Here, do it, but do it just like that. That's fine. Leave it and go to the next step.
Which one do I use? Any one.
See, his is like that. It's like
Leaves looking strong, looking pretty green.
if you want. Yeah. Make sure you get all that down like the glue. You got to be able to come out. You know. Yeah. That's cool. Yeah. He's really cute. Okay, see, she put me every single day. Oh, you forget.
Every other day.
Okay. All right, keep going. Right now it's 240. I mean 2.
There you go.
This is supposed to be chocolate, but I messed up.
You said sit on it. You didn't say rock it. Just kidding.
Okay, now. 16. You gotta look at yourself.
Oh, that's all right. We'll do our best to lift it up. Don't worry.
Am I muted?
What? It's supposed to be eyes and.
You know, sometimes the contrast, it's close. Here's a big leaf. She was doing something really big, you know. It'd be easy.
Yeah.
Mama said it's a pig. You said it was a pig.
He recognizes the
That's why you have to look at
Don't
it.
touch it.
See, it looks different.
There we go. I
Wait.
used the glue as white.
Are you able to?
Yeah. See if you like it too. It's a real abstract. It's really abstract.
Adding the eyes.
Yeah, we can wash them before we go to the play if you like. But they are gonna get messy.
What's the dot in the snout? How come there's a dot in the snout?
And if it doesn't come out, then we just remember
In the snout?
time that we came and did some really awesome art project. In the washing machine. Yeah, we'll do our best.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the rest of the green and I'm gonna put glue all over the painting.
These are sunflower seeds that are red.
Because clay gives us messy hands too.
We just want to make sure we're not late. That's okay? I'm fine?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was 3. No, wait a minute.
Oh, there you are.
That's really cool.
So do we leave them here to dry for
Oh,
a while?
yeah.
Or? Awesome.
Yeah. Cool, that's great. Put your name on it.
That was so fun.
Bye-bye. Come back
We'll come
again.
back for the jewel.
Okay. Okay, I like that.
Alright, you're done and the
Oh, yeah.
lady's gonna hang it up to dry?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm done with my cow moo sunflower, and the lady's gonna hang it up to dry.
That's it, yeah. Huh? Oh, no, take it. Everybody has a
Alright, ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, cheese.
I love the way.
You walked away and I'm like, oh, I know. No, he was like, put it in there. And I'm like, is that a reminder? Well, all of a sudden, bam. Where is it?
You want it to drip down when you hang it.
Yeah, that's glue, you know. That doesn't have a color. Is that what you want? Do you want that like that? Or do you want me to stop?
No, I like it.
Huh?
I like it.
You like it like this? Yeah. Okay. Well, that's good. Well, let's see what happens. If we wanted to stop, we could go the other way.
Alright, hold it up. Okay, and
know that's your job. You get paid more than I do.
I don't think so. Yeah, so. Thank you guys again. That was so amazing.
Oh, but like the mug guy that I like, he's not here.
Or seagull.
Oh yeah, the turtle one is not here today.
Meniscus, so it only has a little piece of it.
Very cute. Got the whole family in there.
Hey, look here. Can we hurry up? Alright, looking, hurry. 1, 2, 3, cheese.
I'm gonna be trying very hard. Trying very hard.
Whatever I'm working on, and then just get this done.
And go.
No, actually, we saw that one.
Alright, come over here. You can see it.
Oh, wait, no. Look at this. Oh, I think it's.
Alright, and go.
I think we saw this one last year when she was.
When the artist was painting it?
I think we saw this one last year when the artist was painting it, like last Christmas, I think.
On Wednesday, I have a Lily class that I'm teaching down at. Everything has to be hot.
I mean, the bigger one.
I think he's trying to melt some eyeballs back on it because it's making that.
Now she's gonna make the wings.
I think she has to form the head first.
Oh, yep, the hot dog.
Oh wait, well
This
this
one.
here.
The back?
Hey, try again. What's your name?
Greg and Stella, yeah.
And then
You gonna
last
do
one,
two?
I just throw it down. That's our last one.
Oh, okay.
So two if they're down. There you go.
Out.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna step to the wheel.
Oh wait, is it just one or two? You want to do it, Greg, or not?
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna make a cone shape like that, and then you're gonna push it down.
You want to do it?
So this kind of shape. So get your hands, get both your hands in the water.
It like goes. No.
Then play.
And you want to gently, like, you want to put, it takes a lot of strength to push it together, but you want to push it together and pull upwards at the same time. That cooler shape. So you don't want to like cut it off at the neck. Careful, because then you might detach it right there.
Oh.
See how it's getting super small right there? You can kind of push it together like that. There you go. Yeah, it's good. You can maybe try to get a little bit more of the clay in from the bottom. No. That's my whole thing. There you go. Push that in. Get your hands on again.
You guys have the toss-up code? Yeah, I'll play that.
Yeah, just like that. Push the hands. Slowly. Yeah, a little bit more.
Fireworks.
That's probably good. What kind of shape? What kind of? All right. So what you want to do now is put your finger in the center. You want to slowly go down because you don't want to go as far as the wheel. Because then you won't. You'll have like a hole in the bottom of your piece.
Slowly put.
Yeah. That's probably a good place to stop right there. That's good. Okay, so then from there, you want to put your finger in there. Instead of going down, you're going to come out. Put your finger in there and pull outward. But you want to go slowly, otherwise the clay won't.
Oh, yeah. Is she right? Yeah, they're like, thank you so much for getting all these tips.
Now get your hands on it.
Thank you.
And you can either go like this, where you kind of just like pinch it, kind of like a crab.
Thank you guys for getting me.
You can go like that. It's probably easiest to do it in front of you.
So she gets mom's car.
Like that.
Yeah.
And this part you want to be super gentle. You don't want to go too fast. You don't want to make the clay uneven. And you want to move upward from down here to up there. And then when you get to the top, you take your hands off. You kind of see where you're at. See if you like the shape. Okay. You want to make it bigger?
Bottom.
Bottom or top?
Cool. Oh, okay.
Careful like this a minute. Okay, so make sure when you're doing it, you're coming up. You're not going down because then you're pulling the clay down. And it's starting to get really thin, so you should probably stop.
Alright.
If it gets much, yeah, you can. I'll give you the sponge and just push right there. Okay. Push in the center, and then you're getting rid of. You want to kind of put a little bit more pressure than that.
What are you gonna make?
Because your intention is to get rid of the air bubbles that are in there, so that when it dries, it doesn't crack. If there's air in there, it's gonna crack.
Yeah.
If you're here and something's
Yeah, about how long is the list?
Oh, the list is pretty. The whole list is
And you just kind of place this on top, like that, and you see how it's rounding it up. You don't need to apply any pressure. You just kind of place it on there. Let the sponge do its work.
Let's look around.
There you go.
Controlling me from rolling fingers.
1 to 10%. I can use these. Is this your first time trying?
Oh, yeah. Actually, no, I've seen it in the past. That was a long time ago, and that was when they were shipping. And then
They're kind of hard. Yeah.
That it's not so like.
And then I'm gonna start to spin it, and I want you to go like this. Okay? Good. Okay. It's perfect. Now the first step is to center the clay to get away all the shapes.
Oh, pardon me. Thank you.
You can fix it a little bit more when we take it off the wheel, because it's going to get a little bit more messed up when we take it off.
And then it's not very flies in the shell.
Kind of like floss, and then you put it down on the wheel and pull it through. Yeah, but you want a little bit less space, so I go around 2 fingers on each
That
side.
thing's called. That's a garage.
Yeah, like
That's
that.
what you sneak up behind someone with.
Down.
Show them.
Yeah, like that.
That's exactly what it looks like.
Could be used as that for sure. Keep pulling. There you go.
Is this Tony or Lucas?
There you go. And then if you want to take it over there and fix it more and make it.
Do you like that?
And then you should feel it shrink. You feel it shrinking down. It's good.
What do I have next?
It's really good.
Next up is
You want to let go slowly, let
Kathleen
go.
or Veronica.
Good job.
Or Valerie.
And then now I'll show you how to
Kathleen
open
or
it.
Valerie.
Okay? So
They should be coming back around.
She's right there.
Okay.
okay. Now to open it up, I want you to select it. Okay?
So,
Go ahead and try it.
long and short.
Just really gentle, very soft. Going.
Like over here.
And push a little harder. All the way until there, I think. That's good. Yeah. Good job. This is my complete. Look at that.
Or you can go ahead and
You have to make the walls taller and skinnier, okay?
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do is you're gonna put your left finger inside and your right hand on the outside. And I want you to kind of squish the clay together and slowly
Can you come
pull
here
it
and
up.
untie it?
Okay? Go ahead and try.
This is what you done there too if you're gonna watch this.
So these fingers inside and this one on the outside. Yeah, just like that. Slowly push them together and slowly bring it up.
He needs help untying. So.
Just keep your fingers in one place. So when you do, just kind of squish. Just really soft, like less pressure. Go.
Okay.
Right. You can also kind of pinch it too. Go really soft. Okay, now let me show you how to finish off. Now to make the edges like that, what I'm gonna do is like put your fingers into a peace sign and then use the other fingers to go like this. And I'm gonna do the same all around like that, okay? Kind of make it like good job.
There. Keep going. And put one hand on the side, and then take the other hand and push down like that.
Nice.
So you're gonna basically.
Can you do some more over
You can
here?
do it that way if you want, or you can use this part of your hand. Yeah, like that, like a front.
Yeah.
Holding it in place.
That looks so
with this hand,
cool.
you're pushing down.
Is it? You like it? So,
Oh, is this for Tony?
What kind of shape do you want to make?
you want to try to take it off? So you hold the wire and then you go like this and you pull towards it. Okay?
So from there, you want to take your finger and go
Forward, yeah. Just
center.
like this, and then pull towards
Make
you.
a hole and go down, but you don't want to go as far as the wheel. You want to leave this much space in the top so that you don't have a hole at the bottom. Thank you.
This is gonna get smashed right now.
Go.
And that is Sawdust Art Festival.
Go.
And that, wait, hold on. And that is the Sawdust Art Festival.
And go.
My favorite part was the pottery because a long time ago when I did it, because a long time ago when
Oh, don't say they lost it. Yeah, just yeah.
my favorite part was the pottery and also seeing all the booths that we remember seeing.
And you. Oh, hold on. All right, and go.
Alright. I think this is the most fun we've ever. Wait, hold on. I think this is the most fun we've ever had at Sawdust because we did the pottery thing and making the sunflower this time. And usually when we come, we just look at the art pieces and go. And my favorite booth here is Laguna Sunshine because all the stuffed animals are so cute.
All right, and go.
We recommend that you come check out Sawdust Art Festival this summer. It's our,
Yeah.
because we recommend that you check out. We recommend that you check out Sawdust Art Festival this summer, and it's our annual tradition to go.
To come here.
Yeah. We recommend that you check out Sawdust Art Festival this summer, and it's our annual tradition to come here. Okay.
See you
Bye.
I'll see you in the next video.
See you in the next video. Bye.
Oh, okay. We came back to Sawdust after dinner. We got one of the hand stamps, and we picked up our art. This is a sunflower cow moo. See how they look similar? And these are supposed to be pieces of floating chocolate because chocolate is Camu's favorite food.
And go.
This picture is a picture of Javi. If you don't know who he is, we got him in Arizona last December. And I basically just put purple clouds. I was trying to test it out, and it dried up, and it feels so cool. And they all dripped down. That was my plan. It worked.
Actually, it would be better if you guys.
Okay, go. Thank you.